I'd like to give you a little more in-depth directions on the analytical article reviews that you're going to do each week. The goal of this, just to step you through the directions that you'll find, I've got them right here, is to help you understand the topics in the chapter and our discussions and the assignments better. To really get into the idea about how to communicate better. So the articles that I choose, which I'll give to you, I want you to really analyze these using these 5 steps. So just to go on, I want you to think about this in the context of intercultural communications. So that's the goal behind them. Requirements, you got to do all 5. Now each of these headings, 1 through 5 that I'm showing you here, need to appear in bold on your submitted assignment. All right, so bibliographical entry, so that's APA format as if you were going to cite it, that goes at the top. Then the summary of the article, so you'd write summary out in bold and then the answer following. Now I've given you an example of this at the bottom of the assignment, so you should have that in order to better understand what's going on. But a brief sort of summary of what the article's about. Okay, so what does it entail? What is it discussing? And that could be, a few short sentences or a short paragraph even. Findings, the third point, or third step. Here is where I want you to detail what the author thought or what the conclusions that the author entered or put forward. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4 is the most important and should make up the bulk of your paper. This is a reaction as in, what do you think? Given what you've learned from the text, what you've learned from other assignments, other coursework, lectures, interactions, your work experience, what do you think about this in regard to communicating more effectively in the work world? Okay, that should be the bulk of it. Number 5 are questions. What questions would you like to ask of the author? What things would you like to know more about, or does it bring up other areas that you think you'd like to explore after having read this? Okay, so you got to use each of the headings, lay it out just like the example is that I give you. I want you to single space everything. Okay, just again use the example. Make sure it's submitted on time. I'm looking for proper grammar, spelling, punctuation, and so on. If you decide not to do that, your grade will suffer. And use concepts that we talk about, learn, you pull in from other coursework. Like I said, this is your analysis. It's not a book report as much as it is your review of the article and how you can use it and make hay out of it. Okay, there you go. And if you need to review this, please go ahead, but do look at the examples. That'll help you when you do this, and read the example that I've given.